Here we are again. This is the third attic space. We're over the west side. Deep P-trap, no insulation, just like before. Tape on the flue, just like before. Gas line does not have a sediment trap, just like before. Sagging air duct, just like before. Sagging air duct, air duct. The purlins are, some of them not. Some of them are original. This ladder is different than the others. It was screwed in. Screws are fast and tight, I get that. They don't have the same shear strength as nails, so they're much more likely to snap and break. So the insulation's messed up here, and I think this is air duct insulation. It's not air supply insulation, it's still the nice air supply duct, air exhaust duct. Got some bat insulation falling off of the walls over there. If I could get to that, it might be the light switch up here. Or it might turn this unit off. Nope, that's the unit switch. Okay, you're supposed to have a light switch you can get to. I guess you can. Stretch a little bit. Circus Olay. We got some Circus Olay going. All this gas piping with regulators on it. In the way, all of this gas piping. They should have built a platform above it. Just saying. Missing insulation still. I didn't see depth markers anywhere. How do you do this? Get your bony old knees over here. That's what you do, old man. Some of these fittings are galvanized. It's not quite the same as galvanized piping, but so we can't really get inside of here because there's no place to work. What do we have here? Air Quality Solutions, I love it. I don't know, you got a cable coming over here, your air filter's sucking air. That's not good. The other one was sucking air. That's a little better. Those soffit baffles. Again, this is lath over plywood over lath. Missing your switch. I'll get some still images.